How to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. So if the screen share audio is not working on Discord, then that might be the various reason. So in order to fix that, watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Discord over here. So first thing is you need to tap over your profile at the right button corner, and here you have to scroll and find out the voice. On the app settings, simply tap over voice, and here is input mode. Tap over the input mode and three options will be popped up. Make sure the input mode is selected for voice activity. By doing that, you will be able to fix your problem, and make sure this is working. You can go back and check, you will be able to fix your problem. But if you are still unable to fix that, then you just have to go back and you have to press and hold over Discord, and you have to go for app info. On the app info, go for storage and cache, and you just have to clear the cache. By clearing the cache, you will be able to refresh your Discord application and you can fix that problem. But if you are still unable to fix that problem, then the last fix is you have to update your Discord. For that, open up your Google Play Store, to tap on the search bar and search for Discord. So here, if any updates are available for Discord, then you have to update this application. By doing that also, you'll be able to fix your problem. Right now my Discord is up to date, but if there is an update option on your Discord, then you just have to tap over the update and update the application. After trying this, you just can go back and see you'll be able to fix your problem. So this is how you can fix screen share audio not working on Discord. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.